Hello everyone. Today I'm starting unit 2 from Science Learner Book, Cambridge Primary Science Learner Book. So, unit 2 Mixing Materials, lesson 2.1 Solids, Liquids and Gases. So, what we learned in this unit, learned that materials can be solid, liquid and gas. Mostly there are three kinds of material all around us. Solid, any solid material which you can touch and have its shape, like book, pencil, anything around you which you can touch and it has its shape. After this, liquid like water, juice, any kind of liquid which don't have its own shape. When you're putting in a container, so it's take the shape of a container. And the last thing, gas, which is not visible, you cannot see. All around us, it's gases, different gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide. Find out how the properties of solid and liquid are different. So let's start. Vocabulary word: carbon dioxide, classifying gas, liquid, nitrogen and solid. So material can be solids or liquids or gases. This girl is blowing bubbles. Where is a gas in this picture? So you can see the gas inside the balloon and also all around, and the air which she's blowing out, it's a gas. And where is the liquid inside this bottle? It's the liquid. And what is the solid she's catching in her hand? This is solid. Even she's catching this bottle is solid, inside liquid. So let's start. Solid, liquids and gas. Page number 36. All materials are either solid, liquid or gas. Solid stay the same shape unless they are compressed, until they are compressed, stretched, twisted or bent. So you can change the shape of the solid using these methods: compress it, you stretch it, twist it or bend it. So it can change the shape with the help of your pressure. So after this, liquid change shape easily and take the shape of the container. So liquid change shape easily and take the shapes of the container they are in. Obviously, it's don't have enough shape. Water, like water. If you're putting in a glass, putting in the cup, putting in the bottle, it's take the shape of that container. Gases spread out to fill the space around them, like balloon. When you blow up the balloon, so inside what? It's a gas cylinder. So this one, a brick, it is a solid. Water, it's a liquid. And the air inside the balloons, inside the bubbles, is a gas. Wood, metal and plastic are solid. Water, milk and oil, liquid. Air is a mixture of gases. All around us, air, it's a mixture of gas. It is mostly a gas called nitrogen all around us. But there is also some other gases like oxygen. We need oxygen for what? For breathing. When we take in, breathing, so it's an oxygen go inside, and when we take out, breathe out, carbon dioxide come out from our body, from our mouth. Nitrogen and oxygen have no color, so we can't see them. Some gases do have a color and some have a smell. So chlorine gas is yellow. If we can hold in a container like this, we can see it's yellow color. And hydrogen sulfide gas, they have smell of rotten egg. So after this, we have an activity: making carbon dioxide gas. You will need a cup, some bicarbonate of soda, some vinegar, a teaspoon and a candle. Sophia and Marcus are making a gas called carbon dioxide. They are going to pour the gas on the candle. Why do they need to be careful? Obviously, when you're doing science experiment, So which equipment you are using, obviously dangerous little bit like fire, so you need to take care. Now with sure there's someone bigger with you, or the teacher with you. Now try making some carbon dioxide gas. How will you stay safe? Okay, let's start. Pour a little vinegar in the bottom of a cup. Next, add half a teaspoon of carbonate of soda. Then watch what happens. You got lots of bubble because the gas carbon dioxide is being made. This makes bubbles in the vinegar. When the bubbles stop, the cup will be full of carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide is clear, obviously, so no color. So you cannot see. So it has no color, so you cannot see it, and at all will light your candle. Carefully pour a little of the gas onto the flame of a candle. So what you can see like this, you can observe what happened. Do not pour any vinegar onto the candle, because it's a burn of candle. So the flame does not the flame goes out because it need oxygen gas to burn. So carbon dioxide, it's not you can say it's close the fire. It is you can say stop the fire, stop the candle. Why? The it's fire need oxygen to burn. Fire need what? Oxygen to burn. But carbon dioxide opposite of oxygen, so it stop burning. So there are some things on the table, some material that are solid and some that are liquid. Observe the material, look closely, touch them and smell them. Sort the solid into the group and the liquid into another group. Simple. Solid, think like yeah, the wood piece, the can, different things solid. But liquid like this one, it's a liquid bottle, so we're putting in the side, and this is the can of 7, so we're putting because inside liquid, so this is coming here. So this is soup, book, eraser, these three coming in the solid and also this is I think ink. So if it's ink, so it's coming here, and rice, it's obviously solid. So different thing, anything have which has its own shape, so coming into the solid group. And liquid shape like water, different liquid material like juice, it's coming in this group. There are 5 type of scientific inquiry: researching, fear testing, identifying and classifying, looking for a pattern, observe, think for a long time. Which type of scientific inquiry is the sorting activity? I'll explain everything. Researching, when you research for a thing all around you, this is called researching and collecting the data. Fair test, when you're doing activity. So if you're using for a plant, so you're using more than the 2 plant. So all the plant you need to put all of the thing equally, and you also use the same plant. For example, you are doing the activity for light, so just one plant you put in the sunny place and one in the dark place, and other thing put the water, same kind of plant. For making a fair test, it's necessary. Okay, other easy everything. Okay, inshallah, next 2.2 in the next video. Goodbye everyone.